Hello and good morning. It's my last day here in San Luis Potosi, and I'm going to Tamul and Micos. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think I really came here just for Tamul because I heard it's really beautiful. So today I'm gonna try my best to film by myself and drive this car. So let's go. We are going to call the sky bike company. We're going sky biking in Micos.
Sí, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
¿Qué tal? Muy buenos días.
Sí, para el sky bike, ¿dónde vamos? ¿Dónde podemos comprar? Estamos en camino a Micos.
Ah, perfecto. Yo le escribí ahorita su reservación, señorita. ¿Con quién me gusto?
No, es que no tengo reservación porque estoy en el auto, o sea, estoy manejando.
No se preocupe. Yo soy Marcel Michael y yo le escribí su reservación y se le mando ahorita por WhatsApp. ¿Qué le parece?
Ok.
Para que pueda pagar allí en el parque.
Ok, ¿ese número es tu WhatsApp?
Así es. ¿Este es su número de WhatsApp?
No, tengo otro. Soy extranjera, tengo el número extranjero.
Ah, vienes de España.
Bueno, te escribo por WhatsApp entonces. Me llamo Patricia.
Excelente.
Bueno, gracias. Bye.
Saludos. Bye bye.
So I called the dude and you can easily reserve on the phone for a sky bike ride. Yay, I'm excited.
The drive to Micos Waterfalls from Ciudad Valles only took 30 minutes by private car. Roads in Ciudad Valles are very modern, so there won't be any difficulties in driving.
¿Y aquí venías especialmente a la bici?
Sí. No, es que quiero ver la cascada.
Before going to the Micos Waterfall, I decided to give myself a glimpse of the waterfall from above by doing a sky bike ride.
¿Te puedo pasar?
¿Cómo?
La cámara.
Bueno, es que ya es un poquito más complicado.
Ah, no.
¿Así?
Aquí estoy bien, sí.
You can't do this inside the Micos Waterfall Park. You have to go all the way up to do the sky bike, past the entrance of the waterfall. This costs 900 Mexican pesos or $48 US for 2 hours, and it includes zip lining as well.
Mira, Jocelyn.
The sky bike ride was short, but it was very, very exciting. It's about 200 meters high, and you will see a great view of the Micos Waterfalls from above. I don't recommend it if you are afraid of heights. When I was there, the weather wasn't good and there were strong winds that make the bike move a lot. The sky bike company told me it is safe, so I didn't have to worry. Plus, I was with a harness and a bike too, so I was convinced that I won't fall off easily. If you have extra time and budget, I highly recommend you to go sky biking.
So the sky bike is another thing, and the entrance to the Micos Waterfalls is down here. It's another way. I got shoes. No, these are my city shoes. I hope it will work. I asked the guy from the sky bike if cars can come here, and he said no, but Micos is totally accessible by car. You can even walk. So before you believe what other people say, just come and see it for yourself, because this looks very accessible to me. Corto, entonces, muy corto. Muchas gracias. Bye. So from the entrance, it's 150 meters walk. It's it's not so bad. I mean,
I did not believe the guy, so I searched how to get to the waterfalls on Waze. For me, if it appears on Waze, then it is accessible by driving. I followed the route Waze pointed me to and arrived at the entrance of the Micos Waterfalls, where there are gates, a ticket booth, and a strip of restaurants. These places offer meals that are good for lunch but can be quite pricey.
¿Tienes algo picante?
Sí, dígame.
Gracias. Check out my mojada. Mami, ¿me das más arroz? ¿Un poco más de arroz? Sí. Gracias. Extra rice.
If I believed the local and took a tour with him, then I would have ended up paying more. The entrance fee to the Micos Waterfalls is 40 Mexican pesos or 2 USD per person. There are 7 different waterfalls within Micos, but I didn't do that tour.
Just testing the waters. Wow, so the water is really cold, and I have decided not to swim here. I'm in Micos in a very wrong time, so I guess I'm just gonna go back here in the summer. But look at that! Wow, really nice.
I arrived at Micos late, so I didn't have a full day to spend. I did hire a boat for 90 Mexican pesos, around $4 US, to take me to the closest waterfall.
Just gonna go see the waterfalls, but Micos has 7 more waterfalls. I just feel very cold right now. Even the guy said it's cold. Hace frío, no? See, it's really cold. Yeah, you can also swim here, but you just need to bring a different life jacket, because this is only for the boat. You cannot wet it. ¿Cuánto vale el chaleco?
La renta vale 30 pesos todo el día.
Okay, the price of the life jacket is 30 pesos per day if you want to swim. That's it for Micos. I'm wearing the same thing, but I did all these waterfalls in different days. So if you have a full day, spend it in Micos, because It's awesome and I love it. See ya! Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. I want to tell everyone that this video is supported by PowerMax Center. So PowerMax Center helps me make footages like this by sending me their GoPro. Most of the footages in this video were filmed by a GoPro, so you see it's very stable. And I also didn't want my camera to get wet, so the GoPro is the perfect tool in filming in places like San Luis Potosi. So I hope you can help me support PowerMax Center too. Thanks again!